Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You've joined me here today on Offchurch Lane in the village of Radford, Semele, approximately a mile out of Leamington Spa, with its great transport links to London, Birmingham and Coventry, and a direct train to London Marylebone in 1 hour 20 minutes. This is a rare opportunity to buy a 3-bed detached property on 1 acre of land with planning permission granted for a separate 4-bed detached dwelling. There is enormous potential for further development, whether it would be to create a family oasis with 2 separate dwellings, a family to build their dream home, or a builder to develop the main house and also build a new modern detached property. So come with me, let's take a look at the house and the land to see the development opportunity. The pretty gardens and grounds wrap around 3 sides of the house and include mature flower beds, trees, open lawned gardens and part of a disused railway track. There is also amazing far-reaching countryside views with a canal and cycle route nearby for walking, running and cycling. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.